So I just hit 50k subs and I am super stoked, and thank you guys so much for the support. What's up guys? We are at Fuji Speedway today for D1 Grand Prix, the drift event, round 1 of D1 Grand Prix. And gate just opened, but look at how many people already lined up.
楽しみだね。
楽しみだね。We got in the pit. Well, the practice doesn't start for another 15 minutes or so. So we're gonna go check out all the booths. Go check out the pro cars. So this is the course. They're gonna come in. There's big straight and first turn and second turn. So yeah, you can see the trail mark already. So we're gonna watch somewhere around here. Hopefully it doesn't get packed too much. Look at that, Fuji. So Fuji, it's usually perfect shape, but at certain angle and this angle, you can see the mountain flat spot right here. So you can only see from this side of the mountain. at that Fuji's flat spot. Rare spot.
うちからじゃ見えないんだよね。
From our house, we can't see this because different angle. But I did not notice. We just came to the first turn, and this is like angled out bank, and it is pretty steep uphill. Can't even see the second turn. That's crazy. They're drifting that fast uphill to that tight corner. So big. So Lino, I and Lino are chilling on the grass, watching them drift. Break time. It's really hot outside today, so we were just watching the competition over there. But now here we are in the cafeteria. Got katsudon. Katsudon これ? Katsudon. And she got katsudon, curry. Let's see a fork and spoon with the wrench. Regular chopstick. Let's go. Alright, the tandem is going down. Next group, FC and I don't know what car that is. Lexus.
ライスで腕を磨いてきた。そしてマシンを作り上げてきた。それに対してさあ GR スープラちょっと離された。さあちょっと離された GR スープラ最高そして後ろから尾藤が行く。さあ近いところに行くか。また飛び込みいいですよ。スープラも悪くない。それに対して尾藤近いところにいる。どこまで近づけるかということになる。自分の走りで近づかない。そして青いマシンがついている。近いところにいる。さあ近いところにいる。このまま近いところやばいぞ。さあまずは
Well, today's over. It was only till best 8, but my favorite driver, Naoki, was engine blow in the morning, so he couldn't even compete. But did you have fun? It was so fun to watch all those pros, high horsepower car. And hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. And as always, don't forget to smash the like button, and I'll see you guys soon. We're hiking today. Some refreshing, fresh air. So I just hit 50k sub, and I am super stoked. And thank you guys so much for the support, and motivates me more. And let's keep grinding, put out all the content. But some of you guys may notice the logo I've been putting in the intro. I'm thinking about making a merch with that logo. Well, if you like it, comment down below. If you have any other suggestion, let me know too. I'm gonna make merch real soon since I hit 50k. We have so much content for you guys, so if you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell button. Don't miss out. We're gonna be consistently uploading every 2 or 3 days. All the Japan and Japanese food, cars, drifting, everything. So stay tuned and be with us to hit the 100k. It'll be a road to 100k right now. I gotta work hard. Me, Lino, she's been editing, working so hard for you guys. If it wasn't for her, you wouldn't even see these videos because I got no time to edit. She's the one editing. So everyone, go thank Nino for all the hard work. These videos, you guys are watching this video because of her.
そんな言わないで。
なんで？
そんな言わない。
照れてんの？
そんな言わない。
Okay, thank you. So, thank you for all the support and love. I appreciate all the comments. I read all the comments. And let's hit the 100K soon. But stay tuned. Let me know about the merch. And I'll see you guys next time.